Kung Abante, pasweldohan ka ng taxpayer, gago. Tinawag mo akong tinawag mo akong gago. Oh, bakit? Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Sabihin ko, ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Bakit mo ako tinawag na gago? Wala akong ginawa masama sa'yo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What is your right to tell me that I'm gago?
Because I am a citizen
What
of the
is your
Philippines.
right to tell me I'm gago?
Mr.
Is
Chair.
that freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. Oo. So, yung sabihin, ganito. If I tell you right now, sasampaling kita. Freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir. It's overt
Hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing. Mahusay ito. Oo, magaling ka. Andito po pa si Miss Joey Cruz.
Miss Joey Cruz, andito po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
Asan po siya? Asan po siya? Ayan. Oo. Gusto ko lang po alam nyo, sa totoo lang, marami po akong natatanggap na bashing eh. Hindi ko pinapansin. Hindi ko pinapansin yun. Katulad ni Kabayan, hindi ako naiinsulto, hindi ako nababagabag, hindi ko pinapansin, wala namang katotohanan yun eh. Ano? Kaya hindi ko pinapansin yan. Alright. Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang pong sabihin kay Miss Joey Cruz, in one of your blogs in YouTube, you directed this statement sa akin. No? Akin mismo. Unang-una, hindi naman kita kilala. Hindi naman kita kaaway. Wala naman akong ginawang masama sa'yo. Tama ba ako, Mr. Chair? Meron po ba akong ginawang masama sa inyo?
There is no personal action.
Kaya nga, Mr. Chair, sagutin mo lang ako. Meron po ba akong ginawang masama sa inyo?
No
Meron ba? Wala?
None, Mr. None, Mr.
Wala. Wala akong ginawang masama sa inyo, ha? Pinapatunayan nyo yan, ha? Pangalawa, hindi niyo ako kilala. Tama ba, Miss Joey Cruz? You do not know me personally.
Correct, Mr. Chair.
And Mr. Chair, I do not even know Miss Joey Cruz personally. Am I right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
But, you made a statement against me. O ito, babasahin ko ha. Ang sabi mo, ganito, kung Abante, pasweldohan ka ng taxpayer, gago. Tinawag mo akong tinawag mo akong gago. Bakit? Ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Gusto mo ba akong umiyak ngayon sa'yo? Sabihin ko, ba't mo ginawa sa akin yun? Bakit mo ako tinawag na gago? Bakit po, Mr. Chair? Please, yes.
Mr. Chair, and I think it is already established that we do not know each other personally.
Ano po yung pakilakas nga po?
Hello, Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair? Okay. I think it is already established that we do not know each other personally. Therefore, the statement was said based in a not personal way, but it is an observation of my reaction.
Mr. Chair,
on
meron ka pang salita. Your observation is that I'm gago? Is that your observation?
This pertains to the public function as I perceive it, Mr. Chair.
No, public what?
Public action.
Public
Mr. Chair.
action. So you mean that is the public that is actually telling me that I'm gago?
No,
Or
Mr.
is it
Chair,
you?
the statement
Let me
came
ask
from
you,
me.
Mr. Chair, is it you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So you were the one that said that, right?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Pero hindi mo ako kilala. Wala akong ginawa masama sa'yo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What
It's
is your
already
right to
established.
tell me that I'm gago?
Because I am a citizen
What
of the
is your
Philippines.
right to tell me I'm gago?
That is part of my freedom of speech, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
is that right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So your freedom of speech is to tell a person that he is gago? Freedom of speech ba yan?
My freedom of speech, part of my freedom
Ang
of
galing
speech
mo.
is to react
Ang
on the
galing mo.
action of
Ito
a
pa,
public official.
sarabi mo ha. In another post, ito sarabi mo. Pero alam mo, kaya tayo nagmi-meeting dito, parami na-mention ko ito, no? Pero sa totoo lang, hindi ko pinansin yan. Matagal na yan eh. Di ba? Hindi ko pinansin yan. Ito ha. Ang sabi mo, you know, Kong Benny Abante, I can find all of this. Isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that still freedom of speech?
Mr. Chair, I am not very familiar.
Yes or
with
no,
those-
Mr. Chair? Is that still you think freedom of speech when you said, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo.
Mr.
Is
Chair.
that freedom of speech?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganon. Oo. So, ibig sabihin, ganito. If I tell you right now, sasampalin kita, freedom of speech yan.
That's part of your freedom, Mr. Chair.
Pag sinampal kita, hindi na freedom of speech yan.
Of course, sir. It's overt
Hindi
action
na.
already. Yes,
Hindi
sir.
na, no?
Yes, sir.
Oo, ang galing. Mahusay ito. Oo, magaling ka. Oo. Ang sabi mo, I'm going to be Hindi ko masabi to, Mr. Chair. F-U-C-K-E-D. Prepared. Binanggit mo yon?
Mr. Chair.
Bakit naman?
Mr. Chair,
Ano
may
ba
I
nagawa
know
kong
when
kasalanan
that post
sa'yo?
was posted? Mr. Chair.
Oh.
Mr. Chair, so that I can answer intelligently on the question
You
of...
can, Mr. Chair,
may I know
you can
the date
answer
of the
intelligently,
I
but
cannot
what you
answer-
said here, is that intelligent? Let me ask you, Mr. Chair. Nung sinabi mo, Convene Abante, I can find all of this, isasampal ko ito sa pagmumukha mo. Is that intelligent?
Mr. Chair, I cannot intelligently answer if I do not know when the post was posted.
You don't know, Mr.
Yes,
Chair?
Mr. Chair, I think in a day I post maybe 50,
Well,
50 posts in a day. I would like to understand,
It
Mr.
means,
Chair.
Mr. Chair, that you can post something today and you forget that tomorrow. Am I right?
That is correct, Mr. Chair. That's very likely.
So, pakiklaro nga, Mr. Chair. Ano yung isasampal mo sa pagmumukha ko?
That is why, Mr. Chair, for me to intelligently answer your question, I need to know when it was posted.
Well, we are going to get the date when this was said.
Thank you,
So,
thank you, Mr.
you would
Chair.
be able to know.
Thank you.
Kaya, pinapa-confirm ko lang yung statement na yan eh. Oh, is ibig sabihin, do you believe, hindi ko na sabihin ang freedom of speech. Do you believe that this falls under protected speech?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Chair. May you please repeat?
Do you
the question?
believe that this falls under protected speech?
Mr. Chair, like I said earlier, I would like to know first the context of the post. But rest assured, Mr. Chair, that when I post in my platform, I make sure that it is a reaction on the news or public action. As a political observer, I always
As
practice.
Miss Cruz, is this a political statement? You were saying a political observer. Is this a political statement? Do you believe that using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations online represent fair and respectful, intelligent discourse?
Except as part of your statement, Mr. Chair, the malicious imputation you said, I accept that. The rest that you said, yes, it is part of the healthy public discourse.
It is part of what, Mr. Chair?
Healthy public discourse.
Therefore, pag binanggit natin using profanities, insults, and malicious accusations, that is, anong tawag mo doon?
Part
health-
of the healthy discourse, Mr. Chair.
Healthy discourse. Healthy discourse ba yon? Yung
Yes,
profanities,
Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr.
insults, and malicious statements, healthy discourse sa yon.
Chair. Yes, Mr.
And that's the
Chair.
reason why, Mr. Chair, that we should now actually craft a legislation to put a stop to Ms. Joey Cruz, who seemed to be intelligent, and a woman using profanities, malicious insults, saying it is healthy.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I stand by my statement. Everything you said, except the malicious imputation, which I do not do, is part of a healthy public discourse. It is part of my freedom of speech. In fact, it is recognized under the Universal Declaration of Human Rights Act that I
It is
should be
recognized
able to
where?
express my opinion without
Ms.
interference.
Joey Cruz, I am the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, and this is not recognized. Profanities, insults, and malicious words are violation of human rights. You violated my human rights.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay JD Montero, hindi na rin yan mananalo sa election. Mabuhay po kayo Ma'am Joie Cruz. Pahayag naman ni Angelo Tangson, abante enjoy your power. Always remember bilog ang bola at pag dumating yung araw na naaga sayo ang bola good luck na lang sayo. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Clara May Lero, napa-Starbucks si Boy Dila, nakakuha ka ngayon ng katapat, akala mo siguro na mapapaiyak mo yan si Joy Cruz. Mga kababayan feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.